Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making akara. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. I will put the peel beans inside the blender. If you want to know how I peel these beans, the link is in the description box below. I will add onions, Habanero pepper, red bell pepper and some water inside the blender. For akara, you don't need a lot of water. You need to blend with as little water as possible because if it's too watery, your akara balls will not form nicely. Cover with the lid. Then blend it until I get a smooth paste. I will use my spoon to scrape down the sides of my blender so that everything can blend properly. Then blend it again. I will pour the batter inside a large bowl. I will add 1 Maggi Cube, salt, and whisk until it's light and fluffy. Now we scoop the batter into the preheated oil. By the way guys, I'm frying this on a medium heat. I'll fry it on each side for 2 minutes until it's golden brown. Now flip it over to the other side so that it can cook as well. So now this is perfectly done. It's golden brown. I will now remove it from heat and leave it to drain on a paper towel. This is how it looks. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my akara. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.